Embark on an unforgettable guided tour from Las Vegas to explore top landmarks including the iconic Welcome Sign, historic Hoover Dam, and the breathtaking Grand Canyon West Rim. Discover the natural wonder of Arizona's Joshua Tree Forest and the colorful Seven Magic Mountains art installation, all while enjoying expert commentary and free time to explore. This all-in-one day trip offers stunning photo opportunities, rich cultural insights, and a once-in-a-lifetime adventuria perfect for travelers seeking the best of Las Vegas and beyond. Public transportation options are available nearby. Specialized infant seats are available. Not recommended for travelers with poor cardiovascular health. Travelers should have at least a moderate level of physical fitness. 1. Pickup time. Verify the departure time of your tour and be in front of the hotel lobby promptly at the scheduled time. 2. Hotel lobby meeting point. All hotel pickups will be conducted from in front of hotel lobby. Once you arrive at the hotel, our tour guide will be waiting for you there. 3. Identification. Please have your identification, ID, or travel reservation confirmation with you during pickup. 4. Contact information. In the event of any delays or if you have questions, please feel free to contact our tour guide. The tour guide's contact information is provided in your reservation confirmation. J&C Travel Agency. Not wheelchair accessible. Bring your ticket with you to the attraction. Be aware that operators may cancel for unforeseen reasons. You must be 18 years or older to book. Children must be accompanied by an adult.